welcome back to my channel. I'm Catherine, and today I'm giving you a tour of the house me and Bo just got in the Philippines. We're in Dumaguete, and I hope you saw the beautiful gates and this beautiful detailing. It's very castle-y, very castle-like, but it is a little condo, but just follow me this way to here. Here's our beautiful front door. We have 2 mats, very useful, and of course, Merry Christmas. Now it's appropriate because tomorrow is December 1st. But this sign has been here since, you know, September, but it's fine. And welcome to our living room area. It is precious. We have a little TV. We have a clock that does not work. I haven't tried to fix it though. We have a nice couch over here, a coffee table, and a beautiful picture, right? And then over here is our window. We have Bo's tacky raincoat / duck costume. It is very cute though. It has to dry out because it rained all day yesterday. We have a nice lovely window to see the orchard, the outside. It's not an orchard, but there is like a farm thing going on next door. Like a fish farm? No, it's not. It was telling me no. I don't know what's going on next door. What is it? Do you know? No. Okay, he doesn't know. Anyway, over to the kitchen. We have a cute little table, and the people, we have a nice little family takes care of this compound. They put out all these lovely snacks, like Happy Peanuts and white coffee? I don't know. I don't drink coffee. But this is where we eat our breakfast and occasionally our dinners if we don't go out, which is rare. And then our fridge. You know what's in our fridge? Nothing very exciting. Just eggs, butter, water. I have to keep our bread and stuff in here or else the ants will get to it, so. Yes, that's this. Here's the other part of our kitchen. It's really spacious. It's a very spacious apartment place. Oh, and I got a pineapple yesterday that I still have to cut. I haven't cut it yet. That is something I'll do later. Yes. Our lovely kitchen area. And now I'll show you back here to our bedrooms. I'll show you my bedroom first. This is my room. I got the fan room since, you know, Bo did all the work to find the place. I will take the nice fan room. It's actually not as hot as I thought. The first couple days were super hot. Usually these are on, but they're very noisy. And also the first day there was a brownout, which means the power went out for 3 hours at night, and I thought I was going to die. But I lived. I just got a wet towel and slept on it. It really cooled me off. But yeah, I'm dying if the fans aren't on.
Are you gonna give a tour of the closet?
I guess I could give a tour of the closet.
That'd be kind of neat.
Would it now? Here's my closet. It's super organized, I know. My excuse is that there are no shelves, and Bo took like 3 of my hangers. Okay? So it's all just kind of put there.
Can we put a pin in that?
No, you can't.
No, I'm just show off the window.
Oh, what's out the window?
Are those hangers right there?
Oh, hey. Whoa. 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 I feel a little attacked. They're like, I don't want to just take their hangers willy-nilly. That's rude. So, moving on.
Okay.
That's my room. This is our bathroom. It's really, really pretty. I like all this detailing. We have a nice shower. We have a tableau going on. Super nice. The only flaw is there is no mirror on the wall, which is a little annoying. But there is a mirror on the back of the door, and it's a little hand mirror. Can you see Bo? Hi, Bo. So there is a mirror if you need it, but it's kind of in a weird spot, but it's still nice. And here is Bo's room. It's a little messy. Bo is repacking his things. He's going on a little day trip today. So he's doing that. He has the air conditioning. It's super nice. If I get too hot, I lay here on the floor. and I respect his rules. I'm not getting on his bed all the time. Just kidding. Sometimes I do. It's not as comfortable on the floor. However, it is very cooling on the floor. I will say that. But sometimes it's just nice to lay here. Just saying. And here is his closet. We won't open it, but
You can.
I don't know. I don't really want to compare and contrast.
Open it.
It's not an organization competition. But like, if you insist. Well, I feel like Bo prepared more for this moment. I think he wanted to drive a point home. But do you notice all the hangers he has? I wonder where he got them.
From outside.
Oh, no, you took at least one from me. But to hang this fedora, it is for a good cause. I'm always about hanging fedoras, so whatever. It's not a competition. It's totally fine. It's great. But yes, this is his room. It's lovely, and yeah, that pretty much covers our entire house. It's pretty affordable here. Like, it's $400 total for all this room, and this is the most spacious place that we've ever had, and it's super nice. It's gated, so I feel safe, you know? It's really awesome. So for only $200 a month, you get a really nice place to stay. So I love it.
And everything's included.
And everything's included, like
Power.
Power,
Wi-Fi.
water, Wi-Fi. But so Wi-Fi's included, but we got our own Wi-Fi system, just in case.
As a backup.
As a backup, yeah. Just in case like one goes down, we have that one. It doesn't matter. It's actually been very helpful. Because when other tenants are on the Chris Wi-Fi, we have our own. Anyway, so it's a lovely place. We love it, but I'm gonna kick you out now because we have lots of things to do today. We have to drive into town, which I know I'm gonna get lost. Just kidding. But yeah. But thanks so much for coming, and goodbye! I also forgot to mention my motorbike that I love. It is amazing. Super cute. It's very new, and red isn't my like favorite color ever, but I really like this bike. Super new and I love it. This is the house that the people who take care of this place live, and they have a cat. Well, I just learned that it was their cat, but her name, well, she doesn't have a name, but I gave her a name. It's Princess Cinnamon Boots. So meet our house cat.
And whoever comes in, we don't have a house cat.
This is Princess Cinnamon Boots. And Princess Cinnamon Boots has kittens. Princess Cinnamon Boots and Snowball and Derek. And this is where they live. They're so cute. The kittens are 2 weeks old, and I don't know how old Princess is, but she's at least a year or two, but they're so cute. So cute. I named one of the kittens Snowball because it's white.
You making breakfast?
I am. I'm trying to finish this.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, I named one of the kittens Snowball because it's white. And then the little boy that lives there named the other kitten Derek.
And you can't name somebody else's cats.
They-
That little boy has names for his cats, and you just destroy the spirit.
Well, I asked them what the names were, and they said that they didn't have any names, so I gave them names. Oh god, the sun's out. It's hot now. Look how cute their blue house is.
That boy cried all night long.
He did not. I laughed because he named the kitten Derek. It's a great name for a kitten.
What, it's the same as a Whitney.
That's Bo's cat's name, which I think is just the best name for a cat.
Or Junior Estevez.
That's also a great name, but I don't know why Whitney's better. Yeah, this is our little driveway. Oh, and that blue one's Bo's, but we don't care. Oh, and they're called clicks. So whenever I think of this, I think that song, like, ain't nobody fresher than my click. Click, 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 click. Yeah? No? Okay. I'm too white for that, but I do like that song, and I like my motorbike. But yeah, look how beautiful. It's just such a nice little area.
Sink or swim.
No, we have packed up all our stuff and we found a forever home.
No, it's your forever home.
It's our forever home
It's not our
because we
forever
split it.
home.
It's our forever home.
I am not a lost puppy.
Neither am I.
Okay.
I can get by now. Pretty well. Anyway, we're moving. We have all our stuff packed. Ready to drop part of it off.
Good lost puppy. I am leaving.
Okay, well, my entourage is leaving, so I have to go bye. We have our house. We're in Belle's room. Now we're in the bathroom. There's no mirror, but it's fine. In my room. So now when Beau's annoying, I can lock him out. Look at my beautiful bed. And look how big our den area is. And this is our kitchen. Huh?
Called living room.
It's whatever I want it to be called. Our kitchen, our refrigerator, we have a broom, we have a fire extinguisher. We have everything. Look how beautiful. Do you like your house?
I'm so glad you finally found a forever home. Man, my hair looks horrible.
Yeah, it does. Oh, and the neighbors. I'll show y'all what the neighbors looks like. I opened the door the wrong way. Okay, let me see. Oh yeah, here's how we leave. That's the street we go out of. It's like a farm thing. I don't really know what it is. I think Beau knows what it is, but I have no idea. It's probably rude to film that, but it's okay. Can you see the floor? Okay. Well, if you can't see the floor, I was not going to address the nasty dirt in the floor that you put.
No, it's, you can't see it in the camera.
Okay. Well then, I'm just going to ignore that. Anyway. Why are you yelling?
That is an outdoor cat.
It is an outdoor cat, but she's our outdoor cat and she's so sweet. Oh. And she just ate a spider, so I'm very appreciative of her life. Yay! Now we're going to the mall to get things for it, like food and necessities, and I don't know what else. Bye!